In 2012, I took a bold leap of faith and purchased my very first drone. Filled with excitement, I launched it into the sky, but unfortunately, it met an untimely demise just a few hundred meters away. Undeterred, I rebuilt what was left and spent the next 2 years mastering manual control. With a renewed sense of confidence, I decided to take on a new challenge and purchased a more advanced camera drone. This time, my goal was to explore the world of photography. I traveled to different places, capturing the beauty of nature and experimenting with composition and lighting. It quickly became one of my favorite hobbies. It's truly an amazing feeling to see the world from a different perspective, and I'm grateful for the opportunities that my drone has given me. I continue to fly and capture the world in new and exciting ways, searching the boundaries of what's possible. So, remember, setbacks are just temporary obstacles that can be overcome with perseverance and a willingness to try again. And who knows, your next flight or next idea could lead to some truly amazing results. Thanks for watching.